Justus Maeche. I am the Secretary General of the LSK Southwest Branch, which comprises of Nyamira, Kisii, Migori and Homa Bay counties and part of Kilgoris. Today we had our annual general meeting here at Tansoten, Kisii, to discuss about our issues and to set in new agendas, especially when we are coming in as a new office. We had a very good meeting, and we are looking at a good year whereby we are gearing towards working for the members, looking at the member welfare, the practice areas in this region, and to see how we are going to collaborate with different stakeholders to ensure that justice is done to our people around here. Bill in place for the next financial year, and I'm seeing it is also going to elicit mixed reactions. And I think as a government, they're developing an appetite of collecting much from the people, but where the issue is really is about the accountability. They are collecting much, but little is done about this money which is being collected. And I think it is high time the president ensures that this money is collecting, it is first utilized as it is supposed to be. We cannot collect a lot of money and then we end up wasting it in things which are not even making sense to the common mwananchi. I've seen even the deputy president asking a huge budget to renovate his offices, to buy new cars, even pay for Wi-Fi, a lot of things, to even fight for the illicit brew, to even buy trophies. Which trophies are we going to buy in the first place? To award who? So first we need to see how we are going to spend them. The expenditure need to be looked at, and so that we avoid this wastage. If we must first use the little we have prudently, so that when we say that this money is not enough it's not enough for our use, then we go ahead and add more money. We cannot go adding money and then it is going to wastage. So I think that is where the issue is. We should look at the spend, where the money is spent, and we should not be having appetite of collecting money, but where it is being spent, that is where we don't understand. It's a tool of trade, maybe something which is enabling us to work. There is no way we can use a car to go to work, and work, when we are working, we are taxed. This salary is taxed. And then you go back again and tax this tool of trade which you are using to make money. So it does not make sense. What income is the car generating that you want to do what? To tax. We are already paying a tax in terms of fuel. When you are going to the fuel pump, you are paying for the fuel. There is tax which you are being taxed from the fuel that you are fueling your car. Which money is this car producing that you want to tax? What income is this car bringing to the people that you want to tax? If it is commercial vehicles, there are other licenses. There are ways they are collecting money, but taxing a car, they need first to show us what income this car is bringing for them to do what? To tax this car.